walking through a blizzard, have coffee in hand. It's the longest journey of my life. I actually fell in the snow. Look how deep this is. Just as an example. Boom. Boom. That's how easy it is to get covered up out here. It's very frightful. I'm scared for my life. Making this documentary for my family, close friends, so they know what I went through. Been traveling for like 5 minutes now, and it's looking bad. It's really bad. Everywhere. It's damn awful. But coffee's good. It's warm now. It started out hot. Mind you, it's been like 5 minutes. I'm trekking in the snow. It goes up to my shins. In some places to my knees. That's not an exaggeration. Sadly. And this is why we need a glass blowing shop that's inside. Oh gosh. Alright. So just to prove it's not an exaggeration. Boom. Up to the knees. Up to the knees. Oh, past the knees. It's bad. It's real bad. But it's okay, I'm gonna make it. It's really fucking cold. Sorry for cussing. Can't really see because the wind's blowing the snow so fast and hard. I can hit my face with sand. I've gone to the stage where I can't feel my hands or face. So, oh shit. This is damn awful. Fuck. Lost the coffee. Holy shit. I'm in the cover of the building now. Up to the knees. Up to the knees. Signing off. I made it. Bye. Bye.